Welcome to Learn English for Life.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a bank account.
Great. We offer several types of accounts. Are you looking for a savings account, a checking account, or maybe a joint account?
I think I would like to open a savings account for now.
Excellent choice. A savings account is a great way to set aside money and earn interest. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Elizabeth Smith.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. Could I see your identification, please? A government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport will do.
Here's my driver's license.
Thank you. I will also need proof of your address. Do you have a utility bill or a lease agreement with you?
Yes, I have a utility bill right here.
Perfect. Now, let's go over some of the details for the savings account. There is no monthly fee if you maintain a minimum balance of $500. If the balance falls below that, there's a $5 monthly fee. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that sounds fine.
Wonderful. We offer an interest rate of 0.5% per annum on savings accounts. The interest is compounded monthly. Is there a specific amount you would like to start with?
I would like to start with $1,000.
Great! We can also set up online banking for you, which will allow you to check your balance, transfer funds, and pay bills online. Would you like to set that up as well?
Yes, I would definitely like online banking.
Excellent! I will need your email address and phone number to set up your online banking.
My email is elizabethsmith768@gmail.com and my phone number is 123-456-7890.
Thank you. I have noted those details. You will receive an email with instructions on how to activate your online banking account. Do you need a debit card with this account?
Yes, I would like a debit card as well.
All right. Your debit card will be mailed to your address within 7 to 10 business days. You can set your PIN once you receive the card. In the meantime, you will receive a temporary card you can use immediately.
That's perfect.
Let's also talk about account alerts. You can receive alerts for low balances, large withdrawals, and deposits. Would you like to enable these?
Yes, I would like to receive alerts for low balances and large withdrawals.
Great choice. I have set those up for you. Before we finalize everything, do you have any questions or concerns?
No, I think you have covered everything.
Wonderful. I just need you to sign a few forms. Here is the account agreement and the online banking terms and conditions. You can review them and sign at the bottom.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. Your account is now open. You will receive a welcome packet in the mail with all the details. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and thank you for choosing our bank.
Thanks, you too.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Boost Bank. My name is John, and I will be assisting you today. How can I help you?
Good afternoon, John. My name is Elizabeth Smith. I'm interested in applying for an auto loan.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Smith. I would be happy to help you with that. Do you have a specific car in mind, or are you still in the early stages of deciding?
I have a specific car in mind. I'm looking to purchase a 2023 Honda Accord.
Great! To start the process, I will need to gather some basic information from you. Can you provide your current address, employment details, and annual income?
Yes, the price of the car is $28,000.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. Now, do you have any existing loans or debts?
Sure. My address is 123 Elm Street, Springfield. I work as a marketing manager at Wet Corporation, and my annual income is $75,000.
I appreciate your honesty. Based on this information, I can check your credit score and see what loan terms we can offer you. May I have your permission to run a credit check?
Yes, I have a student loan with a remaining balance of $15,000 and a credit card with a balance of $3,000.
Thank you. This will only take a few moments.
Yes, that's fine.
Good news, Mrs. Smith. Your credit score is 720, which is considered good. This means we can offer you competitive rates. Our current interest rate for auto loans with your credit score is 3.5% for a 60-month term. Does that sound acceptable to you?
That sounds reasonable. What would the monthly payments be for a $28,000 loan over 60 months at that rate?
Let me calculate that for you. Your monthly payment would be approximately $510. Would you like to proceed with this loan term?
Yes, that works for me. What's the next step?
We will need to complete the loan application. I have most of your details already, but I need to know if you will be making a down payment, and if so, how much?
Yes, I plan to make a $5,000 down payment.
That's excellent. With a $5,000 down payment, you will be financing $23,000 instead of $28,000, which will lower your monthly payments to around $419. How does that sound?
That sounds even better.
Great! I will finalize the loan application with this information. You will need to sign a few documents, and we will also need to verify your income and employment details. Please provide your last 2 pay stubs and a recent utility bill as proof of address.
I have those documents with me. Here you go.
Perfect. Let me review these. Everything looks good here. The next step is to get the approval from our loan department. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, we will contact you to come in and sign the final paperwork. You can then take the check to the dealership to purchase your car.
That sounds great. Thank you so much for your help, John.
You are welcome, Mrs. Smith. I will be in touch as soon as we have the approval. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to give me a call.
Will do. Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too, Mrs. Smith. Goodbye.